Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel Victor Explains. In today's video is about how to fix the Windows installer service could not be accessed. This can occur if you are running Windows in safe mode, or if the Windows installer is not correctly installed in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7 with 3 methods. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.